your 70-hour comment has gone viral and you're not going to be able to live it down anytime soon. And any change in thinking on that one, or do you believe that you were just grossly misunderstood?
No. First of all, I don't believe in work-life balance. The only way we can show our appreciation for all these wonderful things that are happening is by our working out. Frankly, I was a little bit disappointed in 1986 or something when we moved from 6-day week to 5-day week. I mean, I was not very happy with that.
What is work-life balance for you?
No, to me, I think giving time for family, for health, and work, all three are very important. I think to be successful at work, one has to work hard. But I think you can offer an array of menu to employees.
So has the menu widened over the years? I mean, from when you took charge to where it is today, has the menu widened significantly?
I think the offering has completely changed. You're being much more purposeful as a company. You're being looking at all these other aspects that I described, in addition to just focusing on outperformance.
Sagar, let me ask you the same question as well. How are you dealing with this culturally? What has been the change on your menu to keep employees happy?
I feel like there is no right or wrong in these things.
Yeah.
It's not our place to enforce what we think is right or wrong on the people who work with us.
Yeah.
For me, for example, I don't think of work-life balance. I think more of work-life harmony, right? Because I'm always working when I'm not at office, and I'm always available for family when I'm at office as well. So I don't think of it as a clear line where
it's not siloed.
It's not siloed where post 6 p.m. you don't pick up work calls, or when at 2 p.m. you don't pick up family calls, right? Like it's that's how I think about it.
Yeah.
There's nothing right or wrong, but I always think of it as making sure that the people who I surround myself with, the people who work together with close colleagues, are all people who are extremely passionate about what they do.
Gina, let me ask you, how are you dealing with this, and what have you changed, if anything at all?
The new generation is very well informed. They're very, very clear in terms of what they want. I think their preferences are very different. They have a very unique view on the world. And I think companies will also have to adapt in terms of whether it's their employee policies or their way they target those customers. I think we'll all have to evolve, and at Torrent we are evolving. For instance,
so what's the big change that you've made?
So for instance, our employee policies have a great focus around work-life balance. We are one of the few entities in Gujarat that has a 5-day work week since a while. We also encourage work-from-home policies. We are moving towards situations where our female employees are given a lot more support to be able to continue to contribute meaningfully, but also to take care of their family affairs. Even on our leave policies are far more liberal than what they used to be.
For us, how do we make jobs more interesting and not just a job, but something people are passionate about, want to do. And I think that it's going to be a constant balance, I think, of priorities, where you talk about work-life balance. I think in my case as well, I think it's not so much work-life balance, it's more balancing priorities at a given point of time, and giving the flexibility to people to do that. But I agree with Sagar that at the end of the day, you want people to be invested, you want people to be committed, but at the same time, you don't want to kind of be overbearing. It should come naturally. But
Absolutely.
I think to do that it's not easy, and I think we will all have to change quite a lot. I don't think we've changed as much, but I think it's also a calibration.
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC TV18, now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.